we go.
We're on a groundhog mission.
Let's get it.
Got the old, what kind of boat is that?
Bowtech Air Raid.
That's right.
Presented.
We're getting it in, man.
Presented by Rage. Put them down.
There's my shiny black truck. See that we're doing it at the crib? Alright, hold on. Alright, we're good. Get behind the grill.
It's a nice little stock.
Get up there, hug the house. Hey, once you get up here, stop where we stopped last time. I'm gonna get down on the ground, scoot up. Stop about 5 foot from the house. I'll let you know what's going on. Hey, put the 30-yard pin on them. All right, I'm gonna get down. Here we go. All right, I'm laying down. Let's see if we got some tomatoes. All right, here we go. Hold on. Let me zoom in. Okay, there's the groundhog. Yeah. I'm ready. Make sure you get a good shot on him. There's 2 of them right there. Got him. Right there he is, flipping around. Smoked him. Give me some of that, dog! Yeah, baby! Dude. Smoked him. That was from right here all the way over, good 30 yards. Yeah, he was sitting there flipping around. It got him. Alright, let's see. Look for the arrow. Right there's the arrow, yeah.
Look at that shit.
Yeah, look at that blood right there, boy. Yeah. Oh, you got him in the guts. There's his pooper.
Oh.
Gross, dude. Look at that rage, boy. Yeah. Look at that stinky blood, boy, right there. That's it, man. That's a wrap. YouTube. We got to say for yourself, man.
Thanks to Rage, Bowtech. Give it up. Grab my arrow. Oh, plumb full of blood.
Let me see.
Blood on my hand. Shit
Oh,
on my
yeah,
hand.
dude.
Leave the Rage in there.
Smoked him, dog. Hey, we still got that other one. I don't know if he's going to come out.
Alright, let's rock. Let's hit the camera. Peace.